Now you have said that herbivorous animals rotate their jaws while eating. I have never seen a man rotating his
See,
jaws.
it's a question of your, if you want to put a question, you are most welcome.
Put
It's
forward
not a lecture
your
session.
question, just
we are not here to hear your impressions. If you are most welcome
No,
to
this is a
ask me a
question for-
question.
See.
Ask me a direct question, I will be too willing to give you a reply.
See,
Because
my
both
my
Mr.
simple
Trivedi
question-
and myself, we have got other appointments, we will be
Excuse
leaving
me,
after this.
You ask your question
Okay.
in 3 to 4 sentences.
Okay.
That's all.
My
3 to
small
4
question,
sentences.
What was the need for you to give the differentiation between herbivorous and carnivorous animals? What do you want to emphasize?
Yeah, it is a very natural thing that when I stated that almost all limbs and parts of the body of human being are very similar to herbivorous animals, it is for the enlightened audience to decide whether I say, whether you agree with me or not. If you agree, it's well and good. Otherwise, if you don't agree, then also well and good. Who am I to say that you must agree on one point or others? That's okay. Because what I have stated is a scientific fact, which I have got reasons and I have got proof for that. But it is for the audience to see whether it is you are agreeable to that or not. My only point was that by nature, a human being is more, not only more, but 100%, he is herbivorous, and by certain circumstances or by some other reasons, he has been made a carnivorous. Now friends, I must tell you that I am extremely delighted to be here this morning and sharing our views, and so many misconceptions about Islam is now cleared by our learned Dr. Zakir. We never knew that these things are said in Islam, and for that I am extremely thankful to Islam Research Foundation, and I am also thankful to my friend Mr. Salecha Rushabh Foundation, and because of the time constraint of Mr. Trivedi and myself, because we have got other engagements, we will take your leave, and again thank you very much.
Mr. Bade. Mr. Bade has to ask. Yes, you are Mr. Bade? Yes. No, well, excuse me. Mr. Bade has been requested specially to be given a chance to ask question. We have honored that request, and he will be given a chance now. After that, Mr. Trivedi, the last question from that side. And then, yes, last question from there. Ladies, I think, are less in number, so we disallow those 2 questions which were missed out. I hope that would be fair, Mr. Trivedi. Yes, Mr. Bade, then you, and then we finish the session. Yes, Mr.
Hari Om to Hindus.
Jai
Jinendra to...
sorry. After we conclude the session, 2 people will get a chance to hear Dr. Zakir. If you want to hear the answer, and those who want to hear can stay back, others can go. Yes, Mr. Bade.
Hari Om to Hindus. Jai Jinendra to Jains. Salam Alaikum to Muslim Bhai.
Walaikum assalam.
Request to Dr. Zakir. I have all the answers of all your 20 questions, but that will not allow. Kindly give me chance. Any time you will get the logical answers of all the 20 questions. Number 1. Now, all the religions, they follow the God. God is Almighty. Now that means one should follow His rules also. Now what is given by the God, the rules formed up by the God? एक सीधी सी बात है कि जब भगवान ने हमें जन्म दिया है तो उन्होंने हमारे लिए कुछ व्यवस्था भी की है. I'm not giving lecture.
I would apply the same rule I applied to the last speaker.
1 minute.
Put your question in 5 sentences. Assume Dr. Zakir and Mr. Zaveri know the background. Ask your question. 6 sentences,
I'm
please.
asking you the question only. तो भगवान ने हमारे लिए जो भी कुछ दिया है उन्होंने कुछ रूल फॉर्म करके दिए हैं. जैसे कि हमारे लिए सबसे इसेंशियल बात है हवा की. Plenty of Hawa is available. Abundant Hawa was available. उसके बाद पानी रहता है. पानी wherever you go, पानी is available. Now, another thing is food, which I am coming to the question. The food, Bhagwan has given us the food also. कश्मीर में है, हमारे लिए कश्मीर में है, इलाके के मुताबिक दिया है. कश्मीर में है हमारे लिए आलमंड्स दिए हैं, काजू दिए हैं, बादाम दिए हैं, पिस्ते दिए हैं, जहाँ के वहाँ जरूरी है. 1 second. राजस्थान में जाओ, आपको वहाँ वो टेम्परेचर के मुताबिक आपको खरबूजा मिलेगा, तरबूजा मिलेगा. यहाँ हमारे लिए 1 second question I am telling you.